Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a female version of Beetlejuice from the franchise Beetlejuice, and I hope you guys like it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is 𝘎𝑧𝑦𝑦𝑦𝑗 for those of you that don't know. But today I'm going to be doing a makeup look on Beetlejuice. Some of you guys may know Beetlejuice from the movie, and some of you guys may know him from the musical. I know him from both because I like Beetlejuice. But anyway, I'm not that experienced with makeup, so this is gonna be a journey for me. I don't use makeup like that at all. The only thing I use usually is just mascara, some lip gloss, and I don't even think lip gloss would be I guess it could be considered makeup. I don't know, but I'm gonna be doing makeup looks until Halloween day, so it's gonna be a journey, and I'm gonna learn how to use makeup like eyeliner. I tried to use eyeliner before, and I poked myself in the eye. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get into it. Yeah. So welcome to my first makeup tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm pretty sure it's a concealer or a foundation, I'm going to put it on my face. It was kind of cold. It was very cold, but I continued to do it. It took me a while, so I'm just going to speed up the process for you guys, so you guys can watch me roll through that. It won't focus, guys. It won't focus, but whatever. It's fine. I don't care. After I put on my foundation, I decided to go into my eyebrows with my eyebrow pencil and to make them a little bit darker. It got a little wonky at the end, so I'm sorry, but we're gonna go through with it because I'm okay with it. After I get done with my eyebrow pencil, I decided to put eyeshadow on my eyes. I was struggling to get it on the brush, but then I finally managed to do it. Then I realized that the eyeshadow is not very pigmented. I did like 3 coatings of it, but it still wouldn't show. So I decided to look for my other purple eyeshadow, and I found it, and that one showed a lot more than the last one. So that was good. Then I decided to take my glittery green eyeshadow Then I realized that the green glittery eyeshadow, it was like icky, but anyways, so but I continued with it anyway because it was gonna make it look more like Beetlejuice in my opinion. I think that would look way better than, you know, just regular eyeshadow because it just looked fake to me. But I like how it stood out at some points. Then I attempted to do eyeliner. Eyeliner is not my specialty, but we're gonna try it. Bad mistake, bad mistake. It looks disgusting. Decided not to do the eyeliner. So I'm gonna erase the eyeliner thing. So now that that's off, all I need to do now is to put on this purple lipstick. I promise you guys that it's purple. It's not red. It may look like a maroon or dark red, but I promise you it's purple. Just wait till I put it on. Oh, wait, I forgot one more step. Hold on. So I'm not really good at putting eyelashes on, but I'm gonna learn. This whole thing with this Halloween thing is a journey, okay? So I'm not really good at putting on, I'm not really good at putting on eyelashes, so I'm just gonna use some mascara and just put that on my eyes for you guys real quick. Now all I need to do is go put on my wig and put on my outfit. So yeah. Where'd it go? Wow. 𝐿𝐴𝐺𝐻. Haha. So, I want to thank you guys for watching me struggle to do this makeup look. If you want to see me struggle more, doing more makeup looks, but also learning at the exact same time, subscribe because I'll be doing these makeup looks every day after school. So, I hope you guys like my Beetlejuice one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, boom. I'll see you guys later.